Some salads are healthy and the other ones are wealthy. Do you guys ever have a craving for a salad, but not a salad? Well, that's what we're making today. It's kind of like a salad, but kind of not. Let's get into this Doritos Cool Ranch salad. I have 2 types of lettuce, thick cut bacon, ground beef, you can use ground chicken or ground turkey, carrots, cheese that I opted not to use, red onion, ranch dressing, mustard, and of course, Cool Ranch Doritos. So we are starting with Smithfield Butcher's Cut thick bacon. It has to be the thick kind. That little flimsy stuff, that's just not going to work. And for this salad, I have 3 slices of bacon that I'm going to chop, fry, and drain. Eventually, I am going to sprinkle those bad boys on top of this Cool Ranch Doritos salad. And those were the seasonings. You can't have a salad without seasoning. Don't do that. Oh, don't do that. Look at that bacon. Oh. Whew, you already know it's going to be good because that bacon is frying in the pan. Alright, here we go. Now we have ground beef that is well seasoned. There's the bacon again. Hey girl. And then we're going to brown the ground beef more, of course. And I'm adding a little bit of onion, that is not an onion, that is corn. So I'm adding a little bit of corn. I don't know why, but I just thought corn should go in there. And it went just perfectly fine. There are my finely cut vegetables. I didn't use all of those. I probably used about a tablespoon each. Let's see. This is a mix of arugula and iceberg. I prefer not to use romaine because romaine is always going through something. So these 2 taste so well together, light and strong. And let's sit tight and see how the rest of the salad is made. And this, my friends, is what you call a wealth salad. Salad for the health, all of the toppings for the wealth. The wealth of goodness in my stomach. Make a Cool Ranch Doritos salad today, and you'll sort of feel healthy, and you'll definitely feel full. I'm Regina Cordell for Sneakers and Forks. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until the next video, ciao!